Its support base increased substantially in 1990s. Earlier limited to north and west to urban areas, the party expanded its support in the south, east, the northeast, and to rural areas. So earlier, the Bharatiya Janata Party was only established in north and west and to some urban areas, but later on, the party expanded its supports in the south, east, and the northeast, and the to some of the rural areas. Came to power in 1998 as the leader of the National Democratic Alliance (NDA), including several regional parties. So, how did the Bharatiya Janata Party regarded as the or they come to the power in the year 1998 with an alliance, which we have already discussed, emerged as the largest party with 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. So it is considered as the one of the largest party with 282 members in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. Currently leads the ruling NDA government at the center. So at present, these government, that means Bharatiya Janata Party, rule in our center level. Next is Communist Party of India, CPI, formed in 1925. So it formed in the year 1925, believes in Marxism, Leninism, secularism and democracy, opposed to the force of secessionisms and communalism. That means it basically oppose the practices, that means distinguish the people on the basis of religion, their caste, creed, sex, accept parliamentary democracy as a means of promoting the interest of the working class, so farmers and the poor. So it basically deals with the promoting or welfare of the working class, farmers and the poor. Become weak after the split of the party in 1964 that lead to the formation of CPIM. So it basically become weak after when the party was split in the year 1964, that finally lead to the formation of CPIM. Significant presence in the state of Kerala, West Bengal, Punjab, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So they are present in these areas. Its support base had gradually declined over the years. So its support base had gradually declined over the years. It secured less than 1% vote and one seat in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. So it only secured 1% of the vote and only one seat in the 2014 Lok Sabha election. Advocate the coming together of all left parties to build a strong left front. So they are thinking to make a strong party by an alliance, that means by coming together of different other parties. Next is Communist Party of India, Marxist, that is CPIM, founded in the year 1964, believes in Marxism, Leninism, supports socialism, secularism and democracy and oppose imperialism and communalism, same thing, accept democratic election as a useful and helpful means for securing the objective of socio-economic justice in India. So it basically deals with the useful and helpful means for securing the to make our India more socio-economic beneficial and help the people in this field. Enjoys strong support in West Bengal, Kerala and Tripura, especially among the poor factory workers, farmer, agricultural laborer and the intelligentsia. So they basically support the poor factory workers, farmers, agricultural laborers and the intelligentsia. Critical of new economic policies that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods into the country. So it basically help in the development of new economic policies that allow free flow of foreign capital and goods in the country. Was in power in West Bengal without a break for 34 years. So it was in power in West Bengal for 34 years, and in the 2014 election, Lok Sabha election, it won about 3% of vote and 9 seats. So next is, that means the next national party is INC, that is Indian National Congress, popularly known as the Congress Party, one of the oldest party in the world. So Indian National Congress is one of the oldest party in the world, founded in 1885 and has experienced many splits. Played a dominant role in Indian politics at the national and state level for several decades after India's independence. So it played a very important role for getting freedom from the British rule. Under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, the party sought to build a modern, secure, democratic republic in India. So under the leadership of Jawaharlal Nehru, finally this party got the recognized in India. Ruling party at the center till 1977, and then from 1980 to 1989. So after 1989 its supports declined, but it continues to be present throughout the country, cutting across social division. So it ruled at the central level, that means at the government, at the central level from till 1977, and again from 1980 to 1989, but after 1989 its support declined. A centrist party that is neither rightist nor leftist in its ideology orientation, the party espouses secularism and welfare of the weaker section and minorities. So this party also deals with the support and welfare of the weaker section of the society. Support new economic reforms but with a human face. So it also support a new economic reforms but with a human face. Leader of the United Progressive Alliance UPA government from 2004 to 2014. So it was also under the UPA alliance from the year to 2014. Currently it is the principal opposition party in the Lok Sabha. So currently it is a opposition party in the Lok Sabha.